So what do you think? I got it all back in the cabinet. And wow, what a difference that it was about just a few days ago. Everything's secure. Everything looks really amazing, actually. Yeah, I'd say so. Okay, we'll be back in a moment. Don't go away. Wow, I wish it lit up for real like it does out here. But it's all brown, the traditional way. But if it lit up nice and bright and white like that, wow, that would be cool. See? Even does it in the back. It's shining through the back. Well, there's no light on in here except for the TV. So there it is. The RHC 37L by RCA Victor. Oh, that's the soldering iron. My bad. Maybe that's not something that probably NPR or something. But so it all went back together easier than it came apart. All of the the facial area, everything out here attaches to the plastic, and then the plastic is attached to the chassis, and then you just slide it all back in, 4 screws and 2 in the back, and that's it. Simple. This is the simplest radio I've ever worked on. And I'd like to just, have some more of those of this same chassis, But this is the Bordentown, and it was just like my mother's. And so let's get some lights back on, and I'll be right back. Okay. Now, I hate the glare from that light right there, so let me try something here. Yeah, get out of my way. I just decided that I wasn't going to do the facial restoration of this. I was talking about the knob earlier. I was going to keep the original patina, and that included all this chrome right here where it's been rubbed off. This is the worst of it right here. But we just leave this radio alone just like it is. I think it's beautiful. Yeah, this is really nice. And so, yep. And it does light up now. I wish I could have found an LED bulb. But maybe someday somebody will come out with one. I know the voltage, but looks pretty good, doesn't it? You can't see much of it there, but pretty glare on that light. But yeah, this is a very pretty piece. It's in far better shape than I thought it would be. Elegant styling on your new RCA Victor solid state radio, AM FM with AFC. Pick one up at your local dealer now. And tell them you would like to have the Bordentown. Yeah. Okay, now like I was talking about earlier, there's something supposedly to be delivered tomorrow, and we'll get into that then. And so I got to make room on top of the refrigerator now for this beauty. Okay, folks, I appreciate you watching. Hit that like button, subscribe. So I'm going to put these 2 videos up tonight, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Yeah, it's still Wednesday, so I put most of the chassis back together and all this front. And then after I got through eating supper, I just went ahead and slid all this back in and bolted it down and got the back and everything on it. So there it is. Hey, let me know what you think. You can leave a comment, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to talk about, just go ahead. Okay. Thanks for watching.